Digital sheet metal forming on the Figur G15 is really about the whole end-to-end process. We have software and hardware that allows you to go right from a CAD part to your great first part right off the Figur G15 in a very short period of time. This automotive part from Hyundai was formed using our software and our hardware end-to-end. This part is an interior structural component of one of their new series of SUVs. It's made of 6061 aluminum, and this part was formed in less than 40 minutes. The setup of this part was created in our Figur software using our slicer in less than 10 minutes. So setting up to actually making the part was just around an hour to the finished part. We have our own software slicer that is able to generate a support skirt around your part. That's automatically generated in our software in minutes. That's something that would normally take a CAD designer hours to create. We have other features in the software like auto orientation, and this really analyzes the part and automatically orients it to the right direction for ease of formability and creating an accurate final part. We also have a feature that shows how much part thinning you get. Going from a flat sheet stock to a formed part, you're always going to get some amount of sheet thin. We've done a lot of analysis to be able to predict this accurately with all sorts of different materials. By enabling this in the software, we can figure out how thin it's going to get as it forms. So depending on the part geometry, the angle that we orient it in the software, we can start with a different starting material thickness and generate the correct final part. Really how this is changing the industry is enabling designers and engineers to get to prototype parts and even low volume manufactured parts in a much shorter period of time.